Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off the snow in Heartopia. So for instance, if it makes your game like more laggy, you can actually turn it off. So go to tab, go to settings, and you are going to go to graphics, go to advanced effects. Snow effects may impact performance, and you're just going to turn it off. I have it off. This is what it looks like when it's on. It's very heavy for me, but you can just turn it off by just doing the same steps. Settings, graphics, just turning it off, and voila, no more snow. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!